Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Landmark, top of the range, black with black, lovely. So 2016 Land Rover Discovery 4, 3 litre SD diesel V6, Landmark, automatic, 4-wheel drive, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, start-stop. 104,000 miles, well maintained this car, had the cam belt replaced at 74,000 miles, serviced at 1023, 60, 1023, 47, 52, 61, 63, 74, 87 and 92,000 miles, and just serviced by us at 104. So plenty service history, about 9 services and the cam belt done, got matching Pirelli Scorpions on, got roof bars, got running boards, Landmark, top of the range, Santorini black leather, couldn't be better, drives beautifully. So front park sensors, front fog lamps, daytime running lights, as I say, side steps, roof bars, roof rails, 3 sunroofs, front one tilts and slides, Land Rover fitted tow bar, load cover is in there, 7 seats, rear park sensors, reverse camera, rear entertainment, heated leather steering wheel, heated seats, new disc and pads on the back, keyless entry, keyless start, you name it, it's a Landmark, it's got the lot. Anyway, sunroofs, roof bars, roof rails, piano black, fitted Land Rover rubber mats, electric seats, heated seats, memory for the driver. Remember, heated leather multifunction steering wheel with paddle change, electric steering column, leather dashboard, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control, electronic handbrake, got all your on-road, off-road programs down there, got the Meridian surround sound hi-fi, heated rear seats, buttons are down there for the heated rear seats, super clean, obviously 7 seats, load cover or parcel shelf is in there as well. Complete car this, 2 keys. Get the Land Rover tow bar, reverse camera, 3 glass sunroofs, very clean, lovely condition. Landmark, top of the range. Mud flaps, you name it, £18,595. I've just driven it, it drives superbly. 4 matching Pirelli Scorpions, new discs on the back, tyre pressure monitoring, lovely. Memories there for the driver's seats, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, fitted rubber mats, leather on the driver's seats in lovely condition, all your sunroofs. I've got the front one tilted, it does open properly, sunshades if you want. You just see in there the button for the heated steering wheel, which I've got on, which is lovely and warm. 104,363 miles. Beautiful condition, this car. Rear entertainment, I'll just point those out. 2 screens in the back. Actually got that one over there. Another one. 2 screens in the back. Digital television. Had the TV on. I've just been watching CBBS. Lovely thing. Right, £18,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website, and you can have a look at our other cars for sale on there, probably more than one Discovery 4. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. Head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. Thumb through those, lots of discoveries. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.